Right, good evening. Right, we're on another photo shoot. I'm calling this Sycamore Gap Part 2. I've already put the video of going to Sycamore Gap up, and then I did talk about the ideal shot being one with the starry skies behind. So I'm on my way. I did call on the way back from Gateshead, but no, there was just not clear skies. But we're in another sort of mini heat wave now in the UK, so in the next couple of days there's completely clear skies, so I'm heading up to Sycamore Gap, so hopefully we'll be able to get a shot with the clear starry skies behind. Not quite sure how it'll go, but we'll try and see. I've also tried the sucker that I've got for putting the camera on the car, so I can film myself when driving. It's obviously totally hands-free, so we're doing that at the moment. Yeah, and I just wanted to say a big thank you to all the subscribers of this channel, because I noticed today we've gone over 200, which for a small channel like me, it's a step in the right direction. So if you're enjoying the channel, by all means click the thumbs up, and certainly if you enjoy what I'm doing, why not subscribe? It certainly does the channel good. So anyway, we'll head off to Hadrian's Wall and Sycamore Gap, and we'll see you when we get there. Right, well, we've arrived at Hadrian's Wall at the car park, and I was starting to walk to Sycamore Gap. And this is the site that beheld me. As you can see there, the moon is just rising. It's a bit of a shame I wasn't here a few minutes earlier, but never mind. I've already taken the shot because obviously it rising. I wanted to get it as soon as possible. So, but as you'll see from the back of the camera, the last shot when I took it was f11. 0.6 of a second, 100 ISO, and I got the 70 to 200 fully zoomed in at 200. So it may be that when I'm post-processing I slightly crop, because if we look in this direction, you can see there the sun has already gone down. We're past sunset time, so. But that was quite a bonus. I wasn't expecting that. Maybe should have looked at understood photo pools more. But yeah, that's a really neat shot, I think. So, and if it's any good, I'll put it up on the video shortly. So, yeah. So we're here at Hadrian's Wall. You can see the cliff there and the water. That's where Sycamore Gap is towards that way, so we're going to head in that direction. Obviously it's getting darker. How easy it will be to video all this, I'm not quite sure, but hopefully we seem to have a clear sky, so hopefully we'll get some nice astro shots. So anyway, we'll see you a little bit later. Right, we've got to Sycamore Gap. Just been talking to one or two people on the way. As you can see, it's getting quite dark now. You can see just about see the tree there. So I'm not quite sure how. Well, just talking to somebody, and the problem could be, and if you come round this way, we'll see. There you can see that the moon's quite bright, and that might be just too bright, and lighting up the sky too much. But we'll set up a similar shot to what we took when we're here in the daylight, and then see what we can do. So anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Right, well, we've set up this composition. This is recorded through the camera. It's just too dark for the Pocket. I'm sorry for any graininess because the ISO is turned right up. But you can see a couple of stars, so hopefully as it gets darker, it is getting darker and more stars coming out, we should see a bit more, but we'll just have to see. So just got to be patient, and any decent pictures that we get we'll put up on the video. So see you a bit later. Right, I think we're going to head back to the van and call it a night. It may not look like it from this video, but it is extremely bright with the sun. It's just a bit too bright. I don't think it's going to get any darker. I've taken some shots and I'll put them up on the video, but we're going to head back to the van, so I'll see you a little bit later. Right, well, we've got back to the van. I'm a little disappointed that it didn't get really dark, but that was due to the moon being out, and yeah, really very bright. So, but I've got some shots, you'll have seen them by now. So if you watched to here, thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed it, please click the thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, why not subscribe? Both of which do the channel great good. And once again, thank you for all those that have subscribed and are following me, that we've now got over 200, which is a bit of a landmark for me. Hopefully we can go from strength to strength. Yeah, so anyway, that's it for now. Please comment if there's anything you want to comment on, or you want me particularly to go anywhere in the Lake District. But yeah, anyway, we'll sign off now and we'll see you on the next video.